Before we get started, could you please be so generous and hit the like, share, and subscribe button? I wanted to come on and set up my Cabela's camp kitchen before I go on my next camping adventure. Please stay tuned and watch the remainder of the video as you see me with some hiccups and some headaches, but successfully complete this task. When you're assembling your camp kitchen, make sure all your legs are extended out to the fullest. I like the fact that this camp kitchen comes with its own little dish pan and the storage compartments, and as well as a nice cooking and prep station. So the lantern pole was given to me the dickens. There are some things higher learning do not prepare you for it. For the life of me, for the first few minutes, I could not figure this out. But yeah, I'll eventually come back to it. Give me a novel and I'll read it. Give me instructions and I'll trash it. Guys, when assembling your Cabela Camp Kitchen pantry, make sure your table legs are all the way down so that it's more sturdy. Unlike me, now you see me trying to fix it. I'm just trying to make things right. But at least I didn't have a whole bunch of stuff on there and it tilted over. So now that is a note to remember. I'll make sure that all the information from the manufacturer for this camp kitchen is in the description box below. Back to these poles because my mom and daddy didn't raise a quitter. Guys, you really don't have to put your metal rod inside your lantern holder. I just decided to just put it all together just so I'll know exactly how everything should go. Just like that, voila, the poles assembly is complete. Here is the bag that it comes in. It's a nice carrying bag. However, kind of awkward though to carry it. So, as you saw in the beginning of the video. And here we go again. This little piece is actually the paper towel holder. And I'm trying to figure out where it goes. I know it goes up there somewhere, but eventually you'll see. I'll get it. My apologies that you guys cannot see me putting up the paper towel holder, but you will eventually see it in the next camping video when I have the whole shebang up. And yeah, just like that, I've successfully set up this camp kitchen, and I'm gonna see how it holds up. Right now I'm feeling kind of not sure, but yeah. Anyway, hey and bye. Thank you guys for watching Adventures with Val, and until next time, keep on trucking till your next campsite or your next outdoor adventure.